on business. Okay, hi guys. I'm here at the Pullman Hotel attending the Running Diva run, which is going to be held on the 23rd of October. This is the press conference, and with me I have Dr. Jamila, who is the head. Dalila. Dalila.
Okay, call it Delilah.
Screw it up. Dalila. Dr. Dalila. Okay. And she's the head of screening, healthcare and cancer screening at National Cancer Society Malaysia. They are celebrating their 50th anniversary
This year?
And it was very nice meeting you. What would you say to people who may be worried about cancer? What would your advice be?
Okay, 60% of cancer can be prevented if you have early detection and also prevention. So what are those 60% that you can do is through a healthy lifestyle. You reduce your smoking, your alcohol, and have a good diet. So basically, cancer is not a sentence of death. I mean, you can cancer can be prevented if you screen it early.
Right. Thank you so much for that.